In this video, we'll show you how to turn on device carefully. Follow these steps to turn on the Roombr device. The device should be kept either on the tabletop or ceiling mounted. Ensure that the earthing pin is connected to the proper grounding. Next, power cord shall be properly inserted to the power inlet socket. Note: power cord's flat surface with the arrow should be on the top side. Attempting to insert the power cord in the wrong direction can permanently damage the unit. So make sure while inserting power cord's flat surface with the arrow should be on the top side. Next, power on the Roombr device by pressing the power button on the top cover of the Roombr device. Or press the power button in the remote. And that's how we turn on the Roombr device easily.